Horses out, it says Grumble for front position. Aliana in the middle portion now is Dugong Bugao, give me a break. Double strike goes the Winter's Party, Great Angie, Super Hawk, then Paradabarari outside by H.E. Halley. And trailing the group is Mount Amanduing. Aliana, Dugong Bugao matching their strides together. 3 lengths watching in third. Give me a break. Double strike in fourth. Go stay in fifth. Winter's Party in sixth position. Great Angie, H.E. Halia. Down on the inside is number 5 Super Hawk and Mount Amanduing. These two keep on matching their strides together. Aliana, Dugong Bugao, give me a break. Coming closer in third. Go stay in fourth position and double strike. Aliana, Dugong Bugao fighting it out for the lead. Give me a break on the outside third. Go stay. Double strike. Here comes Winter's Party, Great Angie. And it's still Aliana, Dugong Bugao. Give me a break. Go stay. Coming closer now in fourth position. Then followed by double strike. Winter's Party. Aliana, give me a break. Go stay on the outside. Dugong Bugao. Aliana, give me a break. Go stay. Now moving up on the outside. Aliana, give me a break. Go stay to take the lead. It's now Go stay. H.E. Halley on the outside. Go Uste. And finally, Go Uste. Second, close. Aliana, H.E. Halley, 10. Give me a break.
All right, coming from behind, number 3, Go Uste, crossing the wire first under Conrad Boji and Son. Then, dikit tayo sa segundo. At sige, panoorin na natin. Instant replay. 3-1, 8, 10, and 5. So win 59.50, 148 ang double, 333 ang forecast, 1,923.50 trifecta, 5,581.40 quartet, 55,054.20 naman ang pentafecta, DD1 2,164.50, 320